We're here at 12922 Lucas Station Way in the boutique community of Occoquan Landing. A quiet cul-de-sac with beautiful newer homes. You can hear the birds chirping. 2-car garage that has great ceiling height in it. We'll take a look at that when we get inside. Great curb appeal. There's beautiful landscaping in the front and in the back. Stunning hardwood floors greet you upon entry, as well as this wonderful den or office area. Notice the beautiful crown molding. Large windows you'll see throughout. Headed into the kitchen. We have a double wide pantry here. Very convenient for an avid chef. And a beautiful gourmet kitchen with windows overlooking the beautiful backyard. Double oven, island, cooktop, gas, beautiful backsplash. Before we go outside, I'll give you a peek over here. Eating area off of the kitchen and the family room with floor to ceiling stone front fireplace with the deck off of that space. Great for entertaining. How the indoors flows to the outdoors. We have the hardscaping back here to keep in the beautiful landscaping. Steps so you can access those terraces for landscaping. Large deck, freshly power washed vinyl siding on the back of this brick front home. Back inside, we're at the family room, which is quite spacious. And look at all of the large windows, letting in beautiful natural light, and also, again, connecting the indoors to the outdoors. This is such a great space here. Here is the inside of the garage. Great ceiling height, overhead storage there. Easy access to your family room and kitchen. Powder room here. Convenient on the main level. 2 coat closets we've passed by. We'll take you upstairs to the bedroom level. Double wide doors to the gracious primary bedroom, which also has big, beautiful windows overlooking that beautifully landscaped and hardscaped backyard. We have 2 walk-in closets and an ensuite bathroom. That's your first walk-in closet. Here's your second walk-in closet. Did you notice the tray ceiling? Ensuite with a soaking tub, private water closet, walk-in shower, and 2 vanities. No need to share. There's 3 more bedrooms on this level. Linen closet. And here's a full bathroom with a double vanity. Love a double vanity. Here's bedroom 2, also overlooking the beautiful backyard and greenery and landscaping. Bedroom number 3. Next door is having some work done to their siding. See the hardwood floors up here, the high ceilings. Bedroom number 4 up here. Big beautiful windows allowing great natural light. Custom updated laundry room. The light comes on with motion. Wouldn't this be a joy to do laundry in here? With, of course, a utility sink and a place for drying your clothes. Wide hallways, again, tall ceilings, recessed lights, hardwood floors. Let's go check out the lowest level, where we'll find a 5th legal bedroom, as well as a recreation room and a bonus space as well. Plenty of space in this home. This light, I wasn't able to get on. I think we might need a bulb here. So here's your bonus space. Currently being used as an office, could be used for an exercise space, a play space, a hobby area. Here is the utility room. I think this might be motion, there we go, motion detector light as well. This HVAC system down here, there are 2. This one is new as of a year ago, 2025. You have a full bathroom down here with a walk-in shower. And here is your great rec room. Tall ceilings down here, recessed lighting, and a dry bar with a beverage center. What a great space for entertaining. This home is really well suited for entertaining. Here's that 5th legal bedroom. They're using it as an exercise space. You do have doors that walk up to that great backyard. There's a closet and a nice sized room here. So that is your tour of 12992 Lucas Station Way.